Wood has been humanity's most versatile building material for millennia, but it comes with a vulnerability: rot. Moisture, insects, and microbial decay can compromise even the strongest timber, threatening structures, tools, and implements. Long before modern preservatives existed, craftsmen discovered a surprisingly simple but highly effective solution: charring. By exposing timber to controlled fire, they created a carbonized layer that resists decay, pests, and moisture penetration. This technique was applied across cultures, from Viking shipbuilders to Japanese carpenters, and it remains a practical and accessible method for anyone seeking durable, long-lasting wood. After charring, many craftsmen followed with a light brushing or scraping to remove loose soot and reveal a consistent carbon layer. Some would add a layer of oil or wax to reinforce the surface, filling microscopic cracks and improving water resistance. This combination of charring and finishing is practical. It ensures the timber is not only rot-resistant, but also stable and less prone to flaking or erosion over time. Modern applications include fence posts, outdoor furniture decking, and even wooden tools, where durability and resistance to decay are critical. Applying a simple oil such as linseed oil after charring can dramatically increase longevity, while retaining the tactile, historical character of the wood. Charring doesn't make timber invincible. It slows decay and protects against pests, but regular inspection is still necessary, especially for load-bearing or outdoor applications. Exposed charred surfaces may weather over time, particularly in high-traffic or high-moisture environments. Reapplying oil or lightly refreshing the charred layer every few years maintains the protective barrier. This step mirrors historical practices. Craftsmen would periodically treat outdoor posts, beams, and ships' hulls to ensure continuous protection. Modern enthusiasts can adopt the same mindset, ensuring that every piece of timber maintains its strength and durability for decades. Practical lessons from traditional charring can be applied today. The hands-on nature of charring offers direct insight into the wisdom of past craftsmen. From selecting the right species to controlling the fire, monitoring the surface, and finishing with oil or wax, each step emphasizes patience, observation, and respect for the material. This method is accessible for historical reconstructions, survivalist shelters, garden projects, or even small woodworking tasks. By following these steps, you produce timber that is both durable and aesthetically unique, connecting with techniques that have withstood centuries. Even small applications, such as tool handles, stakes, or posts, benefit significantly from this ancient approach, providing enhanced resistance without relying on modern chemicals. Traditional charring is more than a preservation technique. It is a hands-on link to history, a practical method for extending timber life, and a tool that empowers modern craftsmen to build structures and objects that last. By understanding the science behind the carbon layer and following careful, controlled processes, anyone can create wood capable of resisting rot, pests, and moisture for decades. If you found this guide valuable, subscribe to Ancient Know-How and share it with fellow enthusiasts. Every charred plank, post, or tool tells a story of resilience and ingenuity. By practicing these techniques, we honor the craftsmanship of the past and ensure that the knowledge of durable, lasting wood continues to shape our projects for generations to come.